Today's topic is solution and its types. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. A solution consists of a solute and a solvent, where solute is a substance dissolved in a solvent. For example, in the solution of water and sugar, sugar is solute and water is solvent. So, solute and solvent, when they are combined together, they become a solution. These are some of the kinds of solutions which we will study in this video. Number one is aqueous solution. Then we will talk about dilute solution, then concentrated solution, and saturated solution. Aqueous solution. An aqueous solution is a mixture of water and anything that is soluble in it. For example, a solution of water and common salt or sugar. So it will become an aqueous solution because water is used in this solution and other solutes are added in water. So any solution in which water is used and other things are added in the water are known as aqueous solution. Dilute solution. A dilute solution is one in which a smaller amount of solute is dissolved in the solvent. So, for example, tap water, which is mostly water with a small amount of minerals and other solutes. So, a dilute solution contains a very small amount of solute in it. This diagram is showing the difference between a dilute solution and a concentrated solution. As you are seeing that the mentioned beaker with the dilute solution have very small amount of salt. So dilute solution contain very less amount of solute in it. Concentrated solution. A concentrated solution is one in which a lot of solute is dissolved in the solvent. For example, 1 tablespoon of salt in a cup of water is more dilute than 3 tablespoons of salt in the same cup of water. So, a concentrated solution contains a lot of solute as compared to the dilute solution which contain very less amount of solute. This diagram is showing the mentioned beaker which contain a lot of salt in it, which makes it a concentrated solution of water and salt. Saturated solution. A saturated solution is one that can dissolve no more solute at a fixed temperature. So any solution in which we cannot add more solute is known as a saturated solution. But if we want to add more solute in it, we have to increase the temperature of the solvent, then we can add more solute in it.